to change your Reddit username after signing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit app on your device. After signing up, you will find this kind of screen pop up. So, what you need to do is click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, you will find all these options. In here, click on Profile. After you click on your profile, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Change Username at the bottom. After you've clicked on Change Username before continuing, in here you can type in the new username you want. After that, you can simply type in and press Next at the top, and your username will be changed even after signing up. But this is only available for one time. This is how to change your Reddit username after signing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.